In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user profiles in FlutterFlow. We'll start inside FlutterFlow by opening your project. Once you're in, head over to the Firestore or Database section from the left side navigation menu. This is where you define the structure that will store your user information, and it's the foundation for everything else in the profile setup. From there, select your users collection and mark it as the users collection. This is an important configuration because it tells FlutterFlow which collection should be tied to authenticated users. Once that's set, you can begin adding the profile data you want each user to have. Next, add custom fields to that user's collection. Common examples include display name as a string, bio as a string, and photo URL as an image path. You can also include any other fields that make sense for your app, depending on what kind of profile experience you want to create. The key here is to make sure your database is ready before you start building the interface so your pages can connect cleanly to real user data. After that, build your complete profile page. This page is where new users will finish setting up their account after signing in. Typically, this is where they'll add things like their name, profile photo, and any other required details. Keep the layout simple and clear so it feels easy to complete. Once that's done, build the editable profile page. This page is for users who already have an account and want to come back later to update their information. It's useful to separate the initial setup experience from the ongoing edit experience because each page serves a slightly different purpose. Now go into app settings and find the logged in page option. Set the initial logged in page to your main app page. In other words, choose the page users should normally land on after authentication. Then add an on-page load action to that page. This action will check whether the user's profile is actually complete. This is what allows you to guide new users through setup without interrupting users who have already finished their profile. Finally, use a conditional action so that if the photo URL field is missing or empty, the app navigates the user to the complete profile page. This ensures they can't skip the account setup process and helps keep profile data consistent across your app. And that's the full workflow for creating user profiles in FlutterFlow, from database setup to profile completion logic.